Hello, hello. How's it going? Welcome back to Battleblock Theater. Oh, back to the classic finger snap, are we?
I was with you.
Ball! You're changing it up like every episode.
But that's my usual.
Well, the snap is your usual. Where are you going?
Just checking the
just checking the surroundings.
The
scouting and the completely locked area. Okay. Wow, this is all like electronic and shit. Oh, I see
Go.
I forgot to hit the jump.
Go.
I'm going. It landed in your head. Son of a bitch. Oh, there's technically like a clingy down here.
Go.
Okay, now I'm going. Woo! Okay. Interesting. Oh, interesting. You just stopped it from... Okay, maybe not that one. Oh, wait. Oh, it's like still clicking it. That's so weird. Okay.
Oh, I think you need to use that one to go up.
Oh yeah, but I want to get this though, so... Okay, hold on.
Okay, now I think
But now I gotta... Hold on, it's all kinds of uneven now. Oh, I see. Okay, wait. Hold on. Okay, yeah, there we go.
they said
Get!
Get on over there.
Okay, so we can just... Yeah.
I swear, no, you don't get over here.
Oh, what? I ducked! Oh, the freaking wind got me. That's what happened. Son of a bitch. Alright, come back over here. And then... Knocked. And then... That.
Oh!
Nice, real nice.
No.
I'm fine. I got it. Interesting. Okay, was there a jump over there?
Nope.
Wow, it spawned you right there. Jump immediately. Oh my god, calm down. Take a breather. Oh my god. Billy, I'm having a panic attack. I need my inhaler.
Wait, do you think you can like get distracted by yelling help? Nope.
Go before I die and get off this button.
Nope.
Why didn't you go?
I didn't know there was a magma block there.
Oh, I see. Oh, I made it. I almost killed myself. That would have been devastating. Oh, interesting. Okay, I'll guide you through it. Jump down. Okay. Oh, weird. This one's like on its own timer. Okay, interesting. Well, I gotta jump. Let's see. Okay. No. Jump off of it? Okay, don't constantly jump off of it. Okay, made it. Just complete silence for that one. Like, need all the concentration.
I mean, as the levels get harder, the required loop.
I thought I died there, but I did not. I managed to get the freaking... Oh god. I managed to get the freaking yarn ball. I'm out of here. Good luck, I guess. I don't know. I think it's gonna... Yeah, like, stop taking us to the exit. Well, I guess there's no platform for you to be on the exit. It doesn't matter.
That's what I get for trying to get a free ride.
For your ride. Like, surely if I just so slow, it'll take me right to the exit. Nope. Absolutely not. Very well. Weird. Okay. Did I give you a decent amount of time now? Not enough time for that, though. Wait. Okay. Oh, they missed out on a jump. I got it, though.
It seems to be all the way back here.
Dang. Oh, whoops. I'll flame up. That one's new. Up. Got it. Almost got it. Okay, I need to, like, backtrack. No, he completely stays okay. But he can't get over if there's no platform for him to step on.
Oh.
Oh, no, no, no. Let me up. Okay, cool. Made it. Oh, almost died. Oh, no, no. Don't miss me out. Okay.
I'm missing his one.
Made it. Oh dear. Okay. I don't know which blocks are gonna disappear and which ones are not. I made it all the way over here though. Oh, not the
I think I need to clean it up.
Okay. Leave me up straight.
Go. Wait, jump. No, jump.
Okay. Okay. Oh, you need it over there. Oh, there we go. Oh god, not this guy. I hate this guy. I hate him so much. No. Why? Oh, I guess we can avoid him like that.
Oh my god!
I'm over here now. I'm safe. Oh, that's the right one. I'm here now. Oh, shit!
Oh my god!
Oh, what? Why am I over here? Okay, careful. There is a... Yeah. What are you doing? Okay, let me go.
I thought I could beat the system.
No, absolutely not. Ah! Okay, fine.
And then go setting down that mountain.
Let me get this.
And then maybe go and
Platforming skills. Okay.
I'm the only one who was missing.
Magma block.
Oh, never mind.
Yeah.
Darn you and your thinking out of the box skills.
out of the block, did you say?
Oh, you made that look easy.
You're thinking out of the box skills.
Out of the box, okay. I was like, what is out of the box? I know out of the box, but out of the block?
Why are we confusing blocks with blocks? Boxes and
That's a tough
boxes and
box in a
blocks.
box in a box in a box.
I keep saying bloxes.
Bloxes. Oh, okay, that worked. Ah, I see. Well, we would have made it if you hadn't died.
I activated the checkpoint. Why is it sitting back there?
I don't know. It's so dumb, like, actually. Fine. Let me stay on your head. Okay. Yep. Made it. Okay. What? Okay. Okay. What if I can... Nope, absolutely not. Oh, preach.
I think there's invisible blocks.
Invisible? Like on the...
Oh my god!
Never mind.
Nope, there's not. We gotta go this way. Oh. Oh, nice. No. Oh, he just comes. He just... Wow, he's that skilled, apparently. Nice.
Oh.
I think you got it, yeah. Magma block yourself down there. Oh, wait. Let's see. Hold on. Can we get back up there? Wait, almost got it. Okay, yeah. And then... There. Nice. Ooh, egg. What are you gonna do, sir? Okay. What is the point of you? Oh, we need to move that out of the way.
Maybe create like...
No, just he needs to get up. Oh, we need to use him to get up. Here, move out of the way. Move out of the way. Oh, interesting. We can't. Okay. Damn it, this thing. Can you die? Kill him. I don't care how, just kill him. He's in my way, like, immensely. Not him, the green guy.
Oh, you want me to?
Oh my god, are you serious? Oh, excuse me, now it freaking works. Jesus. Oh, that was not what was supposed to happen, but it worked. I was gonna push it through the freaking... What the shit? I actually hate this guy. Like, he's so dumb. Yeah, I was trying to, like, push it through this, cloud, but I guess that works too.
Oh, it's a
Yep. Okay, there we go. Jesus, that's what I was trying to do. Took freaking ever.
Oh.
Okay, ouch, I see. Yep, you made it. Oh, what? Why did... What? Okay, that's weird. I guess the other ones had to be covered? I don't know. Okay, so... Oh, what? Shit. Okay, didn't have to worry about it, apparently. I made it. Or you brought me over. Or I got brought over. I don't know. Shit's so confusing. What? I pressed the jump button. Oh, you need to not double. Wait, what? Oh, fling. Because we need another way to start double jump. Yeah. Okay. Now what? Okay, doesn't matter. Oh, now it spawns you on the exit? What?
I think it's because you were still there right before, like.
Really? So inconsistent. So weird.
I quite good game design.
Well, look at you go.
It's good game design sometimes. I don't want to shit on the game design though. I love the game. I mean, freaking Castle Crashers is a
smells
freaking
like
classic
beef
game. It's
stew in
just
here.
like nostalgic
Making
for
me
me at this
sick
point.
and hungry at the same time.
Okay. Interesting. Go there. Oh, interesting. No. Stay there. Oh, wait. Get back up. What if you can use the wind? No. Go stand there. No. Up. Stand. Now. Keep going. One more block over.
Right here?
One more block over. There. And you're gonna get flung by the fire. The wind. Okay, that didn't do shit. Cool. Great. I don't understand why. Why, though?
The rock?
Okay, there is a rock. But why do we need the rock?
You need to.
Do something with it. Okay, but why? We need both to be? And now we can't. Weird. I don't get it.
I didn't with my screw ourselves.
I think we might have. You can flame me. Get this out of here. Oh, wait. Make this block disappear. Make this move. Go over there and make that block disappear.
Okay.
Make it disappear.
Go.
Oh my god. Wait, what? That just puts it back where it... What? That just puts it back where it was, though. That's so weird.
I know what to do.
What?
See, like, I just moving down.
Oh!
You just
Okay.
have to wait.
He's gonna time it. Okay. Not like that.
Wait.
You need to get off of that.
No, we have to get rid of this block, see?
Okay, so you stay there. Wait, get off of it real quick.
Okay,
Okay, now stand on it, and I will get
the
rock. And then I'll go. No, stay there. Just stay there.
Oh, no.
And I'll time it.
No.
I will time it.
No, hear me out. Wait.
Okay, now.
Yeah.
There we go. And now that. Okay. It's on it. It's barely on it, but it's on it.
Oh, no,
Okay, now just stay there. Yep. Off. No, on. And oh, yes! I don't know how we did that, but we did it.
Power teamwork.
Yeah. Okay, now get over here. Yeah, that's good. Oh, Christ, this thing. Okay. Yeah. Hold on. Step on it. There we go. Nice. Now here. Yep.
All I
I hate when you barely touch it and it freaking does it. It's so annoying. Okay, good. There's a freaking... You fall right into that shit. Okay. Okay. Woo! Oh, okay. Whatever. That's me, I guess. We can't both be up here. Oh, you got the checkpoint right at the last second. Okay.
Oh my god! A golden hat has appeared.
Okay. We'll only get it if it's convenient for us. Which, most likely it's not gonna be, because most of the time it's not. Okay. Ooh, just gonna try that. There was a jump there, apparently. Ooh, wow, I like that. Okay,
Go, go.
I see. Like, perfectly not flying right.
Go.
Just go on without me. Can you?
Nope.
Oh my god, it spawned me right on the freaking fans. Oh my god, this is timed horribly. Okay, now. Oh, come on! Great, now we're both stuck up here. Let me try.
Okay.
Wait.
Go, go.
I wonder if it's easier over here. No, it's not. Okay. Go. Okay, we're safe. We're good. One of us needs to get on that button.
Go, go.
I see. Okay.
God.
Jump, jump, go, out.
It's so stressful.
I know, shit. Okay. Okay, what's this one? Okay, you need that second one. Okay, jump up, jump up! Jesus, you need to not, like, freak out and breathe so hard. You're gonna make me mess up.
Okay.
Okay. Go. Okay. Okay, thank God.
I apologize for freaking out.
I gotta go hat. Okay. Oh my god, this is gonna suck. Okay. Just run. Just go for it. Run. Use the clingies. Okay. God damn it. Okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. Get it. I'd like to cling onto the goddamn... Thank you. Jesus. Oh, this is gonna suck. Okay. Wait.
Oh,
I need you to come back over and get the ball. No! Oh, come on! I hate turning the wall! Move out of the way. Grab this stupid thing. Okay. Yeah, you push it. You push it. Okay. Now that you're safe, I need to not... Okay. I'm gonna wait for that to respawn.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay. Yep. What is this thing? What? Just walk off. Okay. But we need that guy to freaking get it. I bet he's gonna hit the freaking... No? Fling me? A little closer to the edge, preferably.
Oh, yeah.
Got it. Somehow.
What if he's got something? What's the point with that guy?
Kill him. I don't know. Really? I guess you can ride him. Oh, that works. No, it doesn't. I hate that guy. His mechanics do not work at all.
I can see you're being visibly frustrated.
Dude, these levels are freaking hard. Like, the main thing that's pissing me off, we're gonna end the episode here, but the main thing that's pissing me off is when the game mechanics don't work the way they're supposed to. Like with that green guy. He's supposed to walk up the damn wall, but then he walks like up on your feet and he like walks in like a square and it's so annoying. But okay. We're gonna leave this episode here. Hope you guys enjoyed and we will see you next time. Bye.